Well, more bad news and more waiting. I love my wife, and she's really sad right now because she knows all I wanted to do is drive my car, but it's broken. I don't know if you can see that, but it looks like the piston's moving, but it looks like the clip that holds the piston in the bore is what moved. Well, I got good news. So you can see the clip right there just got pushed into the bore. I'm not sure how the hell that happened, but hopefully if I put the clip should be out on this outer ring here. Hopefully if I put that clip back where it goes, hopefully we're in business. Let's try. Oh! Oh! Whoa! Well, I used my vise and I got it flat. I'm pretty sure it'll work. Now I just got to try it out. So I think that is the ticket right there. I think that'll work. Alright, so I'm excited. Are you guys excited? See, I lost a little bit of paint there. No big deal. Let's check it out. Let's check the pedal feel, see how it is. So I need to bleed the rears a little bit, I can tell. Show you guys this. Makes me really happy about this rear end. So I just decided, hey, I'm going to crack this open. I'm going to replace the fluid because it's been sitting. I'm not sure how long they use this, but check this out. Never in my life have I seen diff fluid that clean. Like, I don't even know what to say. I finally got a wheel on. Pretty excited about that. Making progress. And over here you can see how beautiful that looks. So I got all the rear calipers are on, brakes are bled. Now I just have to put the tire on and move on to the front. So this is the last fun part of this. Pretty excited about this. So it's just a upgraded rotor and pad set, but my car needs it pretty bad, especially with you know, the extra speed and power. I need to make sure I give it a little bit more stopping power. So got Well, I got the brakes done. Got them done early, just in time for bed. It's about 3 o'clock, so I'm gonna take off. Got another license plate to hang tomorrow. First drive with the spool. I'm pretty excited. Hey guys, thanks for being here. I appreciate you. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I'll put that up here. Drive fast, take chances. I'll see you in the next video.